This is the elevator at IKEA, Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Impulse modded by Schindler. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here 2.
Second floor.
Let's go to 1. There it goes. Okay, cat view. Very nice elevator for an IKEA. This is my first IKEA. 2,400 pound capacity. Here 1.
First floor.
Go to 2. There we go. 2,400 pound capacity. Here 2.
Second floor.
Go 1. The closest does not work. This was in Dover Impulse, but then it got modernized by Schindler. It's a very nice elevator. Here 1.
First floor.
There it goes. And that'll be it.